Hey guys, I'm Dupree, and today I'm going to show you how to not miss shots that you would have missed before using the cut shot training balls. And the link to these are in the description of this video in that little drop down tab down below. So go check those out if you're interested in these. But I'm going to show you how to not miss shots that you would have missed before with these. And as you see, these balls are special because they have all these symbols all over them. It's got those geometric domes. And these are Aramith balls made in Belgium. So the finest quality balls. But these balls, all the shapes, help you visualize the ghost ball. And that is the spot that you aim for on the ball when you're trying to make a shot. So if I was just trying to make that one, I'm visualizing the ghost ball. We'll get into what the ghost ball is in just a second. But it helps you visualize. So I can train my muscle memory with these to make shots that I was missing before. So if I was having trouble with that one, I could set that up with these and shoot it multiple times. And then I'd be perfectly okay with it when I go to shoot it in a real match. So, if you don't know what the ghost ball is, I'm going to do a quick little demonstration. So this white one is our cue ball. Yellow one is our object ball. These come in different sets. There's a 4-ball set, which is the best to get, where it comes with 3 yellow balls and 1 white ball. It's also an 8-ball set. It comes with 7 yellow balls, 1 white ball. There's multiple different sets, but those are the 2 best ones. So, starts with the yellow ball is the one we're trying to make. So the ghost ball would be the 5-ball. Because that is the contact point our cue ball needs to hit in order to make the yellow. So, in a real shot, that 5-ball isn't there. Obviously. Well, sometimes if you shoot a combo it is. But this 5-ball isn't there. So you just have to imagine that. Which sometimes it can be hard to imagine. But these balls, the symbols on them, will help you do that. Okay, so you see how they have all the shapes on here. We got circle, star, triangle, and square. And they're all different colors on both balls. So what you do is you throw out a ball, maybe a shot you're having trouble with. You imagine the ghost ball, and you see what symbol lines up with that ghost ball the best. And I see a black square right here. So you're aiming to hit the edge of your cue ball against the black square. And then, bam, you've made the shot. It's that simple. So the edge of your cue ball against that symbol. So if I were shooting this in the side, I've got a purple triangle right here. So now I'm lining up, edge of my cue ball, purple triangle, edge of the pocket. So it's like the center to edge training program. And then when you get to this ball, you can just imagine that point on the ball. My side pocket just spit that out because mine are leather back and like to do that if I shoot with any speed. But you can just get up and imagine that line right there. Then you move to that regular cue ball. Get up. Imagine that line. So, if you imagine that line and imagine that symbol, while training with the cut shots balls, they build up your eyesight to where you can start to see your points better on this ball. Instead of aiming into this brown circle right here, you're able to pick out a specific contact point when you train with these balls. I'm going to show you how to train with these balls properly. So, to train with these properly, you're going to set up a shot you've been struggling with. So maybe play a few racks. If you miss one angle more than 3 times or more, set it up with the cut shots, take a little break, and just work on that one shot. So let's say it's this one to the side. So what you do is you line this up, find the symbol, so it's that red circle, and then shoot this shot. 25 times in a row, you have to make it. Not just shoot it 25 times, make it 25 times in a row. And that's how you know you're good at it. So I see that red circle right there. Make it. So we do it, that's 2, we do it 23 more times successfully. I think it's 21 times of something makes it a habit. So 25, we're upping it a little bit, but it's still fine if we up it. We don't have, it's going the extra mile. So 21 times makes it a habit. If we do it 25 times, we're for sure going to get better at that shot. And it's probably not going to be that shot that you're struggling with, because that one's pretty easy. But if it happens to be, then go ahead, shoot that 25 times in a row. But if it's a tougher shot, you're going to be up here for a while. It's going to be hard, but you're going to have to power through it. Okay, so you've probably said, Jaden, you've been shooting that side pocket shot way too much. It's so easy. You're only shooting that one. Well, now we're going to up it a bit, and I'm just going to shoot around with some shots using cut shots. So I'll make it there. I've got a black square right where I need to hit. So I'm going to line my cue ball up with that. And bam, right in the hole. Let's throw it out towards that corner over there. Look at that, I got a purple square right there. We're not too worried about our cue ball control on these drills, so it's okay if you scratch. We're just focused on making the ball. Let's do a real tough one. Let's go for this side pocket right here. Okay, so I've got a purple triangle. This one, these you may miss with the cut shots a few times just because of how hard they are. Not that time. That was a good shot right there. Not the best follow through from me. I jumped up a bit. Let's shoot. You can even shoot bank shots with these, really. Like lining it up towards that contact point on that wall. I need to hit that green square. Right to the hole. Okay, let's try a real tough one. Let's take one like this. Down into this corner. I've got a purple square. Line myself up with that. Bam, just like that. Okay, let's try a spot shot. I've got a green square that I'm going to aim for. Right in the heart of the pocket. So this really helps you with your muscle memory. Your muscles remembering how to shoot certain shots. So shots like this, just like that, just simple stuff. So keeping your muscles in tone with what you're doing. So that was it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please click the like button down below. If you want to be notified when I upload a new video, you can click the subscribe button, then the bell icon right next to it. That'll just send you an email and a notification saying that I've uploaded a new video. If you guys are interested in purchasing the Cut Shots training balls right here, I have the link to them in the description of this video. So go and check that out. Link to it in the description. I also have the link to my Patreon in the description and the link to my Instagram in the description. So go check out all of those. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.